If you're worried about how a market downturn might affect your retirement savings, you're not alone. The uncertainty and volatility we've seen lately can put your hard earned wealth at serious risk. But there's a way to protect yourself, and it doesn't have to be complicated. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy to safeguard your retirement from market crashes and downturns. You've probably heard that diversification is key, but not all diversification is created equal. Many investors mistakenly think that holding a mix of stocks and bonds will protect them. The problem is, stocks and bonds often move in the same direction during a downturn. When markets fall, they both tend to drop at the same time, leaving your portfolio exposed. But there's a strategy that has stood the test of time: investing in gold. As a hedge against inflation and market volatility, gold has historically done well during tough times. If you want to learn more about why thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their wealth, I've got a free guide waiting for you in the description below. Don't wait for the next crash to happen. Get the information you need now to take action. Now let's dive into the practical steps you can take to avoid losing your retirement wealth in a market downturn. First, if your portfolio is heavily reliant on stocks and bonds, it's time to rethink your strategy. Consider diversifying into assets like precious metals, real estate, or alternative investments. But don't just buy any asset. Make sure it's one that has proven stability in times of market stress. Gold is one of the best options. Unlike stocks, it tends to hold or even increase in value when the market drops. By moving a portion of your retirement savings into gold, you can protect your wealth from downturns without sacrificing long-term growth potential. Next, let's talk about the importance of timing. Timing the market is notoriously difficult, but it's still important to make sure your portfolio is set up to weather any storm. A good rule of thumb is to adjust your asset allocation to include more defensive investments, like gold, as you approach retirement. The closer you are to tapping into your savings, the more you need to protect that wealth. One thing I always tell my clients is to avoid making reactive decisions. Too many people panic during a market downturn and end up selling at the worst possible time. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, take a long-term view and don't let short-term market movements scare you. Having a strategy in place will help you stay calm and confident during downturns. Now, if you're thinking about putting your money into something safe, like cash or bonds, think again. While they may seem like a good option when markets are volatile, they don't protect you against inflation, and inflation is a silent killer for your retirement. Your purchasing power erodes over time, and those bonds or cash reserves lose value. Gold, on the other hand, has a track record of holding its value, and in many cases, even appreciating during inflationary periods. At this point, you're probably asking, how do I get started with gold? The best way is through a gold IRA. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold within your retirement account, giving you the security and stability of gold without having to worry about taxes or penalties. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to safeguard their retirement savings. For those of you with more than 100 KIs in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 MPLs in savings, a gold IRA is an ideal way to secure your wealth for the future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to grab your free guide on how to open a gold IRA today. So whether you're already nearing retirement or you still have a few years to go, don't wait until the next market downturn to take action. Diversifying with gold is one of the smartest moves you can make to protect your wealth. Before we wrap up, remember that gold IRAs are not just for the wealthy, but they're especially valuable for American retirees with large savings. If you've got over 100 KOs in an IRA, 401k, or even 5 ME plus in savings, don't leave your future to chance. Click that first link in the description to get your free guide and learn exactly how you can protect your wealth with a gold IRA. It's a move that could make all the difference in your financial future.